What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here from Aquascape Gods. So today what we're gonna do is just some basic maintenance on the Dragon Stone tank that we put together just a couple weeks ago. You might remember that. If you didn't see it, click the eye right up here. Also, what we're going to do is we're gonna try some new fertilizers. This is from 2 Hour Aquarist. It should be an all-in-one, lean dosing. I wanna see what it does with the plants. You'll see the plants in an upcoming clip where we're trimming them and just a general close-up. The first 2 weeks of this aquarium, we didn't do any fertilizers, no CO2. This is kind of like an experiment aquarium. So we're gonna see what happens with it really. The next 2 weeks, we're only gonna do the fertilizer, and after that, we're gonna add the pressurized CO2, and I'll show all of you how we do that as well. I just wanna remind everybody, as always, to please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It means the absolute world to us. So I'm not really gonna talk a lot during this video. It's really just gonna be maintenance, trimming, and fertilizing. So I'm gonna let you guys get to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the maintenance, the fertilizing, the trimming, all of it. In 2 weeks, we'll have another update on this tank when we add the pressurized CO2. You'll also get to see the progression of the plants, see how much they change with just the 2 Hour Aquarist Fertilizer. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, my name's Eric. Have a good day.